Okay, so for share prices, I've already added February and March button on the manage funds page. So let me just tell you how I did it. So when I go to this page where when I click on edit option of this, I'm sorry, wrong options. Yeah, when I click this, I get this page, and then I go to I just search for Jan 22, and I think I find it. Yeah, I found it here. So it's a long page, that's why you need to just press Ctrl F and type a code button name, and you'll find where the button is you are getting. So what I did is just same as Australian managed funds. It was till here, and then I copied this thing and added these two lines for two more buttons, February and March. Right now, the difference between share prices and Australian managed fund is that here we are not here the classes are given differently. Here we are showing the pop-up ID. So what we will have to do, and that pop-up ID is we get from pop-up maker module. So we will have to wait until we make the pop-up and it gives us this ID, and and that ID will copy from there and paste it here. So let's go to the pop-up maker section, and here what I did, I made a pop-up, and I made it for February. Now I'll make it for March in front of you. So what I will do, I will just open this February one, right, because you can see the January one is here. Its ID is 38660, which is mentioned here on the 38660. So similarly, I created another pop-up whose ID was 38678, and I entered it here, 38678. So and rest everything will remain same. And now I'm doing for March. So for March, I have just opened the February one in edit mode, and now what I will do, I'll create a new pop-up. There is no option of duplicate in this one, so I'll create a new pop-up, and I'll copy everything from March, from February to March, because it's new. I will have to enter all the data. Control Z, Control C in this one, and I will just here enter Control V, and it will become March instead of February. March. And now what we'll do, we'll copy this code from here. So just click here and click again on text and copy the whole code from here. Control C and go to the new section and paste it here in the text. And now all we need to do in the data section, we will just replace this PDF and we'll get similar to AMF. From this add media section, I have already uploaded the March file and other files, equity fund files, by dragging and dropping from here. So just collect the URL by clicking that and copying by clicking this button, copy URL to clipboard. Now close this pop-up and come here and paste it here. So for changing the file in February 1, you will have to do this thing which I have just done. You will just open it in edit mode and upload from the add media section. You will have to upload the file for February. Just drag and drop here and collect the URL from here, close it, and paste that URL, right? So and then the file will be replaced from March to February, right? And then just come to bottom, and in the display section we will have to do few settings thing. In appearance we'll choose light box. In size we can choose 80%. In position its top center is good. In advanced, click this will disable and hide over. No, we do not need this. And in close advanced method we can click here so that user can have few options to close the pop-up, right? So this is the thing. And now when we save this pop-up or publish it, the new one, and we go to this and refresh it, where the list of the pop-up is there, and we get the one for March. We have it for February. Now this is the thing we need to copy. You can see the CSS class it is written. We just need to copy it, and we will come to the share prices page, and we have already done it for February. Now we'll do it for March. Okay, so all have different pop-up classes, and so respective files will open. Now we just click save and click update from here. Okay, so now just let us check at the front end how it's working. Monthly reports. Okay, so we just will refresh it, and the March pop-up should work. So there is slightly different way of doing it on share prices, but it's not complicated. If I click on March, it should open the PDF file. Okay, so the March file is opening, so it's working fine. Now, so that's it for this part, and then I think similarly we will do it for equity funds. Equity funds, I will just explain. When you are here on this page, right, and you choose equity funds, and then you click edit, so the edit page will open. What you will have to take care, you will do the same thing for which I have done for fixed income. You will have to just take care that here, let it get loaded. Okay, so here two tests. By default fixed income is done. Now for equity funds, you will have to click on equity funds, right? So equity funds, when you click, then its code will appear. You will have to find the buttons by just you can press Control F and type, like you can see already that it's giving me the button here. Now you just click it edit mode, and just type those button names slightly. You will have to click here and use your down arrow keys too. So you will copy this thing and paste it here, and then make the buttons you want, and then you will do it. So this is how how it is done, and then you will make the pop-up and copy that class from here, that same as I have done. I upload the files. I have told everything. So this is how it is done for the reports part. Now I'll explain how the charts and the tables are updated in Shareprices in other videos. Thank you.